Hey y'all, and welcome to another Watch Cheryl Scrap. I am scrapping a family photo today, just a group selfie of my husband, my daughter, and my son, and this was taken at my mother's house for my sister's birthday last year in May. So I've started out with my single photo. I'm adding some word strips, and they'll end up in a couple of different places. But I take this pattern paper, the subway tile pattern paper gets matted on some gray paper at the end, and then I take the book plate paper and I just cut that down using the rectangular marquee tool and make that a mat behind my photo. And now I am starting to build some flowers and clusters in different places. So move those word strips over to the left side. That's where they will stay. And then I add some lace down here at the bottom. And then I add a couple of leaves in the corners, and then I'll add a leaf wreath, which is it'll look like a bunch of leaves have been added behind my photo, when in actuality it's just a big wreath, which is a fabulous element to give you lots of clustering. So you can see I'm just going to move that around a little bit. And then I'm going to add this piece of washi tape. But I'm not finished because, oh, I do add one up at the top too. I forgot about that. But I do add some paint. You can see me just giving a nice little look of gesso or white acrylic paint. And choosing another brush to add some little splatters of like a dark gray or light black kind of splatters. And this is when I bring in the other matte, the dark matte, and I think that just really kind of brings in especially that black and white photo. So here I am just zooming in to get a kind of look at the whole thing, and this is going to be the piece that I add my journaling onto, as well as my date stamp. And there you can see it. Here's the finished product. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Remember to click like and subscribe. Bye.